so you felt that you no longer owe them the money because...
No, not at all. And I felt like he impressed the fact that I was in the car with him and we told me, well,
You're saying because you actually were doing the job yourself.
yeah, because you have, it's the only way to get it done.
But why do you think he was really forgiving the debt?
Excuse me?
Why was he forgiving what you owed?
That snoring is the
Forgiving
baby.
debt?